Today's day in the life features a new project, a decor haul, and of course some cleaning motivation, so stay tuned. Hey guys, my name is Nikki and welcome here to Carry Grace. Alright, so today I am going to be vlogging. This is the nice slow day that I have been waiting for all summer. Kay's going to be gone for the day. It's just going to be Henry and I. I've got some errands to run. I've been selling some things on Facebook Marketplace, so I've got some meetups to do. I need to go to Target to get some things. I'm going to go to the paint store. I've kind of got a project that I'm thinking about doing. So I'm going to go run some errands and then I will catch up with you guys here in just a bit. All right guys, so we are back from running errands. We went to TJ Maxx, Tuesday morning, Home Goods, Publix, Home Depot. We made the rounds this morning. Oh, and Sherwin-Williams. I went to Sherwin-Williams to get some paint swatches. I've had the itch to change up some things. I'll show you these a little bit closer here in just a minute. But I'm wanting to add some dark green, I think. One of the things that I like to do is when I've got the urge to like really change something up, the easy place for me to change something is to paint the back of our built-ins. Y'all, those built-ins have been all the colors. They've been so many colors. And then also the back of the bookcase that I have in my living room. That one's not a built-in, it's just a bookcase, but it's also super easy to change. The other thing that I'm thinking about painting is our front door. I think I've mentioned that in another video. I was kind of thinking about like a greenish, like a light greenish blue out there, but now I'm thinking something different. I'm thinking more like one of these darker greens. So we'll see. All right, so let me flip the camera around. So actually no. Yeah, I'm gonna flip the camera around and I'm gonna show you these colors and then I'm gonna show you the things that we picked up. In just a minute, we're gonna make lunch and then we're gonna have some more errands to run because I didn't get everything done, but we're hungry and it's time for lunch. All right, so here are the paint colors that I am looking at. This first one, I'm trying to get it so that you can see the color without a glare. This one is Rock Garden by Sherwin-Williams. This one is called Dard Hunter Green. And this one is Secret Garden. And it's a lot more olive. The rest of these are kind of more like what I would consider like a true kind of hunter type green. This one, like I said, is more olive, but I'm really leaning towards this color. I feel like it doesn't compete with all of my blue and white. I've got a lot of blue and white on my shelf. It's kind of the reason that's a big deal. I feel like this, I don't know, I don't think I like this as much, but I also really do like this particular color. I like it better on my front doors. So we'll see. I was kind of hoping to be able to use the same color. I may still go with this. We shall see. Alright, so at, not Hobby Lobby. Why do I keep trying to say Hobby Lobby? At Home Goods, I found this really cute little lemon bowl, and I thought it was super cute because it had the blue and white on the edges, which I thought was great. I had some of the lemon, I bought some of the lemon coffee mugs from the Dollar Tree a couple weeks ago, and so I thought this was super cute. The main thing that I was going after today is a fruit basket. I wanted a gold one. I was planning to get the two-tiered one that they have at Target, but it's 25 bucks. I found this one at TJ Maxx. It's only 10, and then it's got the little hook for bananas, but this one is not going to work. As you can see, it is too tall to go under my cabinet. So I'm gonna have to take this back and I'll just have to spend the extra money on the one from Target, but that's okay. I was trying to get a deal. And then the other thing I picked up is just one of these bags that they have like at the register at TJ Maxx and Home Goods, Marshall's, places like that. I found this one at Home Goods, and I wanted another bag like this for when we go on the boat because it will keep like our towels and stuff dry, and it's super inexpensive. They're like $1, and so I don't have to like baby them, and if they get messed up, it's not a big deal. So that's what I picked up. Like I said, we're still going to go to Target. I'm going to take this one back and get that other basket. Hey guys, all right, so we are back. It is so much later in the afternoon. We had lunch and then I ran a bunch more errands. I took the gold basket back. I went to Target and they did have the gold basket there. I did have to make them go dig it out of the back though. I looked up on the app that it was there, but it wasn't out, so they got it for me. And the other thing I picked up is some mineral oil. This says that it's used as a lubricant laxative. That is not what we're going to be using this for. I've got a project that I'm going to use this for. I will probably share it in some other video because I'm not going to do it today. But anyway, I picked that up. I ended up taking that lemon little bowl that had the little blue on there. I ended up taking it back because I had like a stand that I wanted it to go in and it didn't fit in there right. I didn't want to buy another stand. I just didn't want to make a big deal about it. So I just took that back and then I went and picked up paint. Part of me wants to get in there and start painting and the other part of me wants to take a nap. So it is so hot outside and just like being in and out of the stores in the car, I'm feeling pretty hot. So I think I'm actually going to just kind of take it easy the rest of the day since I finally got my easy, slow day and we've been running around. I think I'm going to chill for the rest of the afternoon. So I will pick the camera back up here in just a little while. I am actually though going to film real quick because I'm going to go ahead and put out my new basket and I didn't straighten up the kitchen right after lunch or breakfast. So I'm going to do that real quick. So we're going to get some cleaning in. Alright, so I need to know, do any of you feel like you have to clean up your kitchen 49 different times a day? Some days it just feels like that. The other day I was playing around with things on the counter and I got my white platter and I wrote the word eat on it. I don't know if you know, but you can write on your plates that are glazed, you can write on them with a Sharpie and then you can remove the Sharpie with alcohol. So that's what I'm doing right here. Sometimes I like to use a plate to display happy birthday if it's somebody's birthday, or sometimes I will write out our menu on there, just something different that you can decorate with. Alright, so everything in here is straightened up. I don't know if I've shown y'all this in a vlog yet, but I have a gold picture frame that I really like. I decided to bring it in here. I am going to put an actual picture in there, but for right now, that's what was in there, so I just left it. Got a bowl of tomatoes, one of my ginger jars, and then over here, I did replace my paper towel holder with the gold one from Target. The main reason I replaced it instead of spray painting the one that I already had is because mine kept coming apart, so I really needed a new one anyway. And then this basket, as you can see, it like barely fit, but it fit, and I am going to leave the tags on it just to kind of make sure that I like it. But so far I really like it and I'm really liking how that looks. So now I am going to go chill. Alright guys, so I can get started. I've got to test out the paint and see what it looks like back here. I didn't really take a nap. I did sit down on the couch for just a few minutes, but now I got to get up and do something. So let's see how this looks. I'm a big fan of having a consistent color palette kind of throughout your house. That's what I like to do in my house. This blue, kind of pale blue that's on the back of the bookcase in here. The reason I chose this color in here initially is because we used to have a light blue couches in our living room, and this was just kind of a way to bring that color around to the other side of the house. It's a pretty neutral color. It goes with a lot of things, but now that we don't have blue couches anymore, I have definitely been wanting to get rid of this color. I knew that I wanted to add a green. Green is actually my favorite color. Olive green is probably my favorite green, but I like all shades of green. I like emerald green, I like lime green, I like green. And I used to have a lot of green in my house, but like I said, when I had blue couches, I kind of switched things up. So I have been wanting to add green, and there is a blog and Instagram account that I like to follow. The name of it is JustDestinyMag. She has a set of custom built-ins in her living room, and they are painted in this color. And when I started thinking about green, that is what came to mind. So I am using the same color that she used. It was definitely my inspiration, but the color is called Secret Garden by Sherwin-Williams. Alright guys, so as you can see, I got the first coat on one of the shelves done, and I really have no idea if I like it or not. It's very drastic. I mean, the difference is huge because I'm going from like a very light color to a really deep color. So we'll just have to see. I will have to do another coat on that one, and then I will just keep going. I'm not going to film me doing that. You will get to see that after sometime later. I don't know if it'll be in next week's vlog or cleaning video, or if I'll just post it on Instagram, so keep your eyes open for that. So we'll see. I do like the color. I'm just not sure, like I keep looking at it in my viewfinder. I'm just not sure what to think yet, so we'll see. Alright guys, so I'm gonna take a break from painting. Still not sure what I think about the green. So yeah, I'm gonna make dinner. We're gonna make homemade chicken fingers, and I'm gonna make some homemade ranch, and then I'm gonna make cabbage and salad. So that's what we're gonna have for dinner. I'm not gonna show me making dinner, but I will show you once it's all done. I ended up getting Cade to help me, and he made this ranch. I'm so excited about it. You can see my kitchen is pretty much trashed. I ended up changing what we were having just a little bit. I decided that since I had to cut up so much cabbage, I didn't want to cut up anything else, so we're not having a salad. I just put some okra in the oven, and you can see that our dinner looks delicious. The little chicken nuggets turned out really tasty. Alright guys, it is almost 9 o'clock. I just got the kitchen cleaned up. I did a little project, and now I'm going to get back to painting because that is going to be a project. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with us today. Didn't have a lot going on, but that was the kind of day that I've really been wanting. It's just a nice slow day. It was fun to just kind of run errands with Henry, just kind of piddle around town, things like that, and start a project. So anyway, thank you guys so much for hanging out with us today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you're new to my channel and not already subscribed, please consider hitting that red subscribe button down below. If you enjoy day in the life videos, please give this video up, and I will see you guys soon.